i35equipment.com. This is another DitchWitch c24X hydraulic walk-behind trencher. Does include the DitchWitch brand trailer, single axle with a spare tire, rear flip-down ramps. These are local units. They're on consignment with us. You can always see the full and up-to-date inventory as well as all the specs and photos on our website, i35equipment.com. This trailer has a brand new spare tire on it, jack, 2-inch ball, and the 4-pin blade light hookup. 2019 year model on the trailer. The trencher itself is a 2019 model year, manufactured in December 2018. Stock number 1593. I'm going to show you the tires here. Sorry, I'm going to go through some mud to get up here in the dirt today, but still look like it has good tire tread. The ramp's just unpinned and flipped down. Good working lights, no problem. Up here, we've already unhooked it. Just have this ratchet strap that hooks into here for transportation, and then dual chains with hooks. You just unhook and when you're ready to take it off, or hook them up and then pull forward as tight as they can go when you're going to transport it. Before we run it, we'll just go through all the stuff on here. Chain looks great. Teeth look excellent. Rubber tracks. This is the Honda IGX 700. It is an electric choke, so to start it, just turn it on and then bring it over to start. 168 hours is going to be your throttle. Your battery's down here. This controls the bar up and down. Left track, right track, forward, reverse, opposite to turn. This controls the bar, or the chain spinning forward and backward. The operator's manual for the motor's in here. Recent service only 8 hours ago. I'm going to hand the phone off and then I'll go through the operations of it. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope the video was beneficial to you. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. And look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.